Right, Section 4, Elite Cybersecurity Enhancements. With this tier, your entire surveillance network is protected by an incredibly robust cybersecurity suite. Because let's face it, in today's threat landscape, your top-tier physical cameras absolutely need ironclad digital vaults. You've got advanced encryption protecting your highly sensitive data both at rest and in transit. You have regular penetration testing, where security experts actively try to safely hack your system to find and seal vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. And custom security hardening, disabling unnecessary background services and enforcing incredibly strict firewall rules. This is elite, enterprise-grade digital armor for your physical assets.
And here is the absolute crown jewel of that digital defense: zero trust architecture. The definition here is super important. It's a framework where every single connection and device is continuously verified and secured. It literally assumes no device is safe by default, even if it's already inside your network. This definitively proves that Astra isn't just offering some basic IT support desk. They are providing an elite, compliance-ready cyber defense network built to protect your business from the inside out.